Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Wednesday, April 2nd at 6:30 in the morning. And we are continuing on with our series Critter Creations hand-drawn coloring book series. And we're doing ocean critters this time around. So this playlist is dedicated to ocean critters. I just had Google make me a list of ocean animals and fish and wildlife, and we're gonna just go down a list and see what we can draw. I know I've already got a crab, but now we've got a hermit crab, and I did the hermit crab because my daughters had hermit crabs growing up, and I do remember picking one up, and it reached around and grabbed my finger and sliced it, and I bled quite a bit. It was pretty small. Seems like this left hand, I'm right hand dominant, which I can use my left hand for a lot of things. Also, I've kind of trained myself, but I got bit right here by a chipmunk when I was young, and here when I was older got grabbed by a hermit crab claw. Not the best of luck with getting attacked by wildlife. Probably my own fault, though. I will admit to that. The hermit crab, I really like hermit crabs. They're cute. They're fun. We had the land hermit crabs. This one I'm doing is a ocean hermit crab. They don't build their habitat. They borrow their home from shells they find on the ground and under the ocean, and they use their larger claw as a front door. This one was a little bit tricky on the curves. The inner spiral of the shell, I'm probably just going to redo the shell, and I got a little wobbly. I need to use my nifty little twirly tool. I know there's a name for it. I can't think of it right off the top of my head. This guy right here helps a lot in getting the curves right. I thought I could be steady and stable. Here, as you can see in a moment, I was not. So I'll probably just redo this one off camera and include it in the coloring book when I get around to it. The rest of the drawing I was pretty happy with. It came out pretty cute, and leave me some comments in the down below, and like and subscribe. Help me keep going with this. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a great little hobby to start off with and to share with everyone out there, you especially. So here's my final drawing, and have a great day.